What you doing? What you doing there, Jakey?
Definitely rubs.
Precious.
I don't think that's where that rubber smell comes from.
Oh, shit.
We should just like cut parts of it out.
Start it off with a remote start. Ooh, it's weird standing behind it, actually hearing how she starts up. What is going on YouTube? It's your boy ST920 Shung back at with a video for the top 5. Oh, my car's locked. Top 5 mods to enjoy open. Top 5 mods to enjoy your Hellcat. No, I'm good right now. Just hold on. So,
You got your thing for this?
can you hold these real quick? I know, so I'm going to. So I bought these little mic here, these mics, this mic here, these mics. So, hold on. Yeah, you know what? We got 3 people here. Be my camera woman. Here, Jake. Is that? So.
It's very blurry.
Focus. Hit the focus. Is it good? Here, plug this in. So we got these little mics here. I'm gonna test these out for my first video. See how these sound. You got yours on?
Mine's good.
All right, I'm on too. So I hope you can hear the quality change on this camera. Damn it. I also messed with, dude. I almost messed with, what was I going with it now? I messed with my camera, so now it should be in 4K, so it shouldn't be so blurry, because I watched one of my videos. Dog shit. Anyway, mod number 1 should be, probably yelling too loud for this mic, an intake. If you want to go with performance, I would say go with JLT, because I've done research, and the JLT is more for performance. It does have a decent sound, but if you want your supercharger to whine, you want to do the leg maker. It's a lot better for that whine. That's the main reason you buy the Hellcat, is because of the supercharger whine. Number 2 would be either you can go with high flow cats, or you can do a mid muffler delete. Yeah, let me see that once. Even if you can even see, which I doubt. Car sits too damn low. But anyway, you get the gist. Mid muffler delete, or if you want to be a little bit subtle, do high flow cats, leave the mid mufflers. It's all right. If you want to check out my previous video, you can see how it sounds with just high flow cats. But now that this cold start was with a mid muffler delete, and then for sound wise, that's probably what you would want if you want your Hellcat to roar a little bit. The leg maker, nice whine in it. So then, what was number 3? What was number 3? I forgot.
3 is me.
3's no, you're number 3 is you.
Taking a drinking game.
3, okay. Here, hold that. Come, chum. So number 3, I kind of bundled them together, because if you do this, you gotta do the other thing no matter what. So if you do the upper pulley, obviously it'll be a little bit quicker than a stock Hellcat, but when you do that, you have to do injectors as well. And what I run, I have a 2.85 Metco upper pulley. I believe I mentioned that before. And then I have 1050 cc XD injectors. And then, because that's messing with the fueling and everything, so once you do that, that's pretty much it for that. Let's see, what was the next one? I forgot your phone thing. Oh, pinning the crank. So number 4, I recommend pinning the crank. Reason being, when you actually do these, like if you do the upper pulley and stuff, you're pushing a lot more boost, and you're making your belt spin a lot faster than the stock Hellcat would. So if you want your motor to stay nice and healthy, I recommend pinning the crank, because I don't know why they didn't come like that from factory. So if you want to do that, it's preferably, especially when you change the upper pulley. So this will be a quick video, actually.
Are we on the last one?
Yes, I believe so. And the last one,
That's a tuner.
get a
Jake.
Alright. You need a tuner. You got to get a tuner for any type of vehicle if you're going to be doing any type of mods that have to deal with the motor. If you care to explain why?
The most important thing with a tune is not only that you're going to get more horsepower, but the car is going to drive more how you want it to drive. If you get a lower thermostat, things as well, change your wheels around, really just tidy up the car in general, give you some more power. And going from a stock car to a tuned car, if you don't change any parts, even though the performance, the actual like numbers on a dyno might not change all that much, the car will feel a little bit better, and you can just kind of go out and have more fun. Some of the limiters aren't riding on you as hard. You can kind of let the tires skirt loose a little bit more than you could before.
So even stock though, you can run.
Yeah,
if you do if you do a bone stock car, do a tune. You think you can get some? How much horsepower do you think you can get out of that?
It really depends. I mean, I'd have to calculate it out, but I mean, probably at least 50 horsepower out of one of these engines.
See, so number one should have been the tuner technically. If you want to have your car be a little bit more fun, responsive, throttle response, whatever, you know. But this is my tuner. But look at this. Turn around. You got to show the sweater. This is my boy's Alex. My boy is Alex. My boy Alex's brand. As you can see, the umbrella, we block the rain out because we're just built like that. And as you can tell, we weren't supposed to make it this far.
We made it.
I got the Hellcat 300. And then the front right here, if you want to show that, against all odds. This was established in 2024. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's quick and simple. Oh, actually, I'm going to start it up so you guys can hear the intake. Jesus. You guys heard how the exhaust sounded. Jake, since you got the mic on, just get a little bit closer.
Sounds good.
And then just focus on the wine. Where are my keys?
Oh, I got them.
My bad. Thanks, boss. So give you some revs on the intake. There's that, and it looks like we got some traffic up in here.
You sounded nice.
It sounded real good. But as you can see, if you want your car to whine and be a little baby, you got to get that. All these, I should have waved at them. Yeah, if you want your car to whine, I say intake. The only reason I did number one is the intake is just because you buy a Hellcat, you get the supercharger, and if that's what you're really here for, that's what you want. But
Speed doesn't always make you enjoy your car more.
that is true. It's all about
What you want.
love and what you want. And that is the reason why I chose these specific mods for this video, so you guys can see what it is. And remember, no.
What am I supposed to remember?
So what's the thing?
What are we remembering?
Like, comment,
And
And
subscribe.
oh yeah,
And hit the bell notification
hit
too.
the bell notification.
Right up
All right.
here.
Yeah. Without the mic.
Yeah, you can just stand. Okay.
So we're gonna do. Hold on. Look. Oh, look. We're gonna do a video without the mic because the quality was bad. I'll still leave it in there, but yeah, you guys will really hear what it sounds like. Go to the exhaust. Hear that exhaust. It sounds so much better. I definitely recommend the mid-muffler delete. I don't get to hear it like that. That was good.